Good morning.
Hey, bitches.
How are you? We are in computers class.
I'm tired. This is bullshit.
I want my hair back.
You shouldn't. You shouldn't cyberbully.
Cyberbullying's bad.
It's bad.
It's a bad thing.
Don't you fucking laugh, Sydney. Kick your ass.
Desiree dropped our computer like 2 minutes ago. I
Nah,
thought the screen was gonna break.
that's because I'm a retard.
Let's look at her little cyberbullying video.
Oh, do you guys want to watch
She's got going on here.
it?
I don't know if I'm on it.
Ready?
Alright, there we go.
Alright, can I see it? Stop cyberbullying.
Wait, shit.
Cyberbullying is just not nice. Oh, I hate you.
No. Okay, if I move it this way. Alright. That works.
Cyberbullying is like your computer punching you in the face. No cyberbully zone. Why would people say that? I'm so upset. Sometimes you just feel trapped.